If your laced outfit doesn't make people pause, stare, and quietly ask themselves, who is she? Then something is missing. And no, it's not always money. Because the truth is, I've seen expensive lace look cheap, and I've seen simple lace look incredibly elegant. So what's the difference? It's not just the fabric. It's not just the design. It's the details most women ignore. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what makes lace look cheap, and more importantly, how to fix it. So every time you step out, you look like that woman. Now listen carefully, because some of these mistakes are very common, and chances are you've made at least one of them without realizing it. Let's start with the first one, and this one alone can ruin everything. Mistake 1, the wrong laced fabric. There's something about cheap lace. It reveals itself instantly. Even before someone touches it, even before you say a word, it already tells a story. And unfortunately, it's not a luxury story. Cheap lace often looks too shiny, too thin, or strangely stiff in the wrong places. Sometimes the patterns look rushed. The embroidery feels flat, or the finishing is just off. And here's the problem. A lot of women don't notice this when they're buying it. Because under bright shop lights, everything looks good. But the moment you step into natural light, or take a picture, or walk into a well-dressed room, that's when the difference becomes obvious. Now here's how to fix it. Start paying attention to texture and weight. Good lace has presence. It doesn't look like it's trying too hard. It sits well on the body. It moves with structure, and the details feel intentional. When you see high-quality lace, you'll notice the embroidery is clean. The patterns are balanced. Nothing looks rushed or overdone. And most importantly, it looks expensive without needing explanation. Here's a simple mindset shift. Stop asking, is this beautiful? Start asking, does this look refined? Because beauty can be loud, but refinement is what creates luxury. Now, this next mistake is something even women who buy expensive lace still get wrong, and it completely cancels out the value of the fabric. Mistake 2, poor fit and tailoring. You can spend a lot on lace and still walk out looking average. Why? Because of fit. Fit is everything. A lace outfit that is too tight pulls in all the wrong places and immediately looks uncomfortable. But on the other hand, an outfit that is too loose loses all structure and it looks unfinished. And this is where many people get it wrong. They think buying expensive fabric is enough. It's not. Luxury lives in precision. The way the fabric hugs your body, the way it defines your shape, the way it flows when you walk, that's what people notice, not the price tag. Now let's fix it. You need a tailor who understands structure, not just someone who can sew, but someone who understands proportion, balance, and finishing. Your laced outfit should sit perfectly at the waist, align cleanly at the shoulders, fall smoothly without pulling or folding awkwardly. Even the inside finishing matters, because when something is truly well made, you can feel it, and when you feel confident in what you're wearing, everyone else sees it. Now, here's where things get interesting, because the next mistake is something people do on purpose, thinking it will make them look more expensive, but it actually does the opposite. Mistake 3, doing too much, too many stones, too many layers, too many ideas in one outfit. And suddenly, instead of luxury, it looks confused. There's this belief that more equals better, more shine, more drama, more detail. But real elegance doesn't work like that. Luxury is controlled. It's intentional. It doesn't try to impress. It simply is impressive. When an outfit has too many competing elements, nothing stands out. Your eyes don't know where to focus. And when there's no focus, there's no impact. Now let's fix it. Start simplifying. Choose one main feature and let everything else support it. If the lace is detailed, keep the silhouette clean. If the design is bold, reduce the extras. Give your outfit space to breathe. Because true luxury doesn't overwhelm. It draws people in quietly. Now, even if your lace is perfect and your outfit is well designed, This next mistake can still ruin everything, and it's something most people overlook. Mistake 4. Wrong accessories. Accessories are powerful. They can elevate your look instantly or completely destroy it. And the mistake many people make is trying to wear everything at once. Big earrings, heavy necklace, bold bag, flashy shoes, all competing for attention. And instead of looking styled, it looks overwhelming. Another issue is quality. Cheap accessories are easy to spot. The shine is different. The finishing is poor, and they don't complement the outfit. Now here's how to fix it. Be intentional. Choose fewer pieces, but make them count. A strong pair of earrings, a clean, structured bag, elegant shoes, that's enough. Let your accessories enhance your look, not compete with it. Because when everything works together, that's when you look truly put together. Now the last mistake, this one has nothing to do with the lace itself, but it might be the most important of all. Mistake 5, lack of presence. You can wear the most beautiful lace in the room and still go unnoticed. Why? Because of presence. Luxury is not just what you wear, as how you carry it, your posture, your movement, your confidence. All of it matters. If your shoulders are slouched, if your steps are unsure, if your energy feels uncomfortable, it reflects. But when you carry yourself with intention, everything changes. Even a simple outfit begins to look powerful. Now let's fix it. Stand tall. Move with calm confidence. Take your time when you walk. Let your presence speak before you even say a word. Because the truth is, the most expensive thing you can wear is confidence. Now you understand something most people don't. It's not just about buying lace. It's about how you choose it, style it, and carry it. And once you get that right, everything changes. So if you want to keep elevating your style and truly look elegant every single time, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and watch the next one on your screen right now, because your transformation is just getting started. Choose what complements your body, and most importantly, wear it with pride. Because in 2026, being a rich auntie is not just about money. It's about presence, it's about elegance, it's about knowing your worth. And trust me, when you get it right, all eyes will be on you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury fashion inspiration. Until next time, stay elegant, stay confident, and keep shining like the queen that you are.